How to install the app? First, swipe up the home page. Second, open the Explorer. Then click the USB. Then click this APK. The app will be auto-installed. Click the mouse wheel, enter the passcode 123456. Click the login management, enter the LAN IP address. Click the application settings. Here are multiple settings there. Click the body temperature settings. Here you can turn on the body temperature test, adjust the compression temperature, set the alarm, turn on the body temperature, choose the units of the temperature, as well as turn on the fan, the stranger mode, and the stranger record. Click the face data entry. Make sure your face is facing the camera. Click the collection to collect your face information. Then, enter your ID and your name, choose your gender and save it. Click the face database. You can check all your face information and delete the information here. Click the pass record. You can check and export pass record information here.